OE Connection proudly sponsors Flannel IT, information technology careers in Northeast Ohio. OE Connection is a leading online parts and service exchange in the automotive industry, assisting automotive dealers and repair customers.
Welcome back. I'm Hillary, the host of Flannel IT, information technology jobs that you're going to feel good in. I'm traveling all over Northeast Ohio to gather information on IT careers. There are really two distinct sides to IT. One of them is more behind the scenes, and this is the side that fixes, builds, and connects things. This is the hard side that deals with broadband networking, computer infrastructure, and the hardware.
Want to win free stuff? Of course you do. I am Flannel Man, your game show host.
I'm really going to try and get along with Flannel Man today. I'm really gonna try.
I have a question that has 3 answers found throughout the show. Find them and win great prizes.
As I was saying, today we're going to be discovering Northeast Ohio organizations that are dealing with broadband networking, computer infrastructure, and hardware.
Today's question: name 3 parts of IT's hard side.
OneCommunity is a regional broadband organization that's transforming Northeast Ohio. I'm here today with Nick from OneCommunity. Hi, Nick.
Hi.
Can you tell me a little bit about what OneCommunity is doing?
Sure. We're a nonprofit open network broadband provider, and we're focused on driving economic development in Northeast Ohio. We're actually in the process of adding 1,000 miles to our current network, which is directly going to create 500 jobs. And also that will in turn allow us to connect 800 other institutions like schools, hospitals, public offices, and that kind of stuff all over the region. So.
I also hear that you're helping Northeast Ohio residents to cross that digital divide.
Yeah, we're actually in the process of training over 11,000 regional people with how to use the internet, providing them with computers, and just general training.
Wow. Okay, so let me see if I get this. You have this super fast mega information fiber, and basically you're helping connect civic and government organizations better. Can you give me an example of the impact that your broadband network has had?
Sure. Actually, one of our really cool examples would be we just connected the Cleveland School District to the Cleveland Clinic. We're allowing kids in the classroom to interact and observe doctors doing real surgeries.
I had no idea this kind of innovation was going on in the community. Nick, thank you so much for your time. Our next stop is a company that kind of reminds me of that movie Ghostbusters, because they're the ones you're going to call when you need to get those ghosts fixed in your computers. I don't know what is going on with this thing. It was working this morning. Flannel Man, if you got on this computer, I swear.
Can I help you?
Well, where did you come from, and what is all this about?
I'm with Valley Computers, and we heard you had a computer problem. We came out to help.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, actually, I've got this thing popping up every time I try to get on the internet.
Oh, okay.
That guy's face right there.
There.
Did you just fix it?
Check. Yep.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Wow, how did you do that?
Well, this is just some of the things we do. We support small business owners all around the area to keep their companies up and running.
Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm doing an information IT show.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to be on it?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let me grab my mic. Hold on.
Okay.
Got it. I'm here with the owner of Steel Valley Computers, Brad Murphy. Brad, can you show me a little bit about what goes on here?
Well, this is our home base. This is where we bring a lot of computers back from our customers that need a little more attention.
All right. And what's a typical day look like at Steel Valley Computers?
A typical day for us is very random. We're responding to calls, we're taking in systems, we're repairing them, and send them right back out the door.
Wow. So would you say that you're part of the hardware industry?
Yes, we're based off the hardware industry. We install systems, we maintain them, we clean them for our customers, and help them with any software problems that they have, help them with data security, and a lot of consulting as what customers should do.
That's great. Can you go over with me a little bit about what you do at Steel Valley?
Well, our company exists because there are many small businesses who have that need for an IT staff, but they're too small to where they can afford a full-time IT guy. So we fill in those gaps.
Brad, I know who I'm going to call next time Flannel Man's haunting my computer.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Our next stop is a company that's out of this world. This is like my own personal spaceship.
You must be Hillary.
Oh, yeah, I am. Hi,
Hi.
you must be Pete.
I am. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thanks for having us here at
Thanks for coming.
DRS. So you've got to tell me, what's going on? What does DRS do?
DRS is actually a cloud hosting, managed services consulting company.
Okay. And tell me a little bit more about these monitors and everything that's going on the screen.
All the monitors up here? Sure.
Yeah.
Up on the monitors here, we actually have all the monitoring that keeps an eye on all the hosting that we do for our different customers.
Okay.
For example, we've got networks that branch out to all our different companies out there, and we've got a map up here that shows the networks that are going out to these companies, our fiber optic networks. We also have monitors up here that show the traffic that goes in and out of the networks to our different customers so that we know how much is going back and forth. All the way down to camera systems that keep an eye on all the different equipment we have out there just to make sure that everything's secure and we're always aware of things.
That's pretty amazing. So would you say that you're part of the cloud computing area of information technology?
Yeah, we are, exactly.
So, Pete, what is it that you do here?
I actually work in the operations center. We've heard of this as the heartbeat of DRS.
Not the spaceship.
Not the spaceship, although it does look like one. Right? In the operations center, though, we're actually the ones, as you were talking about on the monitors earlier, we're the ones who watch all these monitors and keep an eye on everything. If anything ever goes wrong with the customer's equipment, we want to make sure that we're aware before the customers that something's wrong so that we can address it quickly.
Wow. Thank you so much, Pete. This has been really fascinating.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
You're welcome. DRS is quite a dreamy company to work for. That's it for today on Flannel IT, information technology jobs that you'll feel good in. Tune in next week as we explore the softer side of IT.
And people, don't forget it's almost time to learn how you can win prizes after these words from our sponsor.
Hi, I'm Chuck Rotuno, President and CEO of OE Connection. We're recognized as one of the best employers in Ohio. We're committed to innovation, growing IT jobs, and rewarding creative thinking. Check us out at oeconnection.com.
Oh, why hello! I am Flannel Man, your humble game show host and master of the answer. Go to the website below, register, and then log in and enter the 3 correct answers for today's episode to be entered to win cool prizes. The Flannel IT show airs over 8 weeks. Enter all the correct answers for all 8 weeks and you'll be entered to win the grand prize. Keep watching. Good luck.